As you can see on the screen, this is a $50 deposit bonus. All right, I have been able to claim mine, so this means you can also claim yours. All right, so as you can see, I can place trade on it. It's a live account. All right, it is a live account. This is a live account. So in few minutes I'll be showing you guys how you can also claim yours. All right, so make sure you follow me closely as I show you the step-by-step process on how you can get this no deposit bonus. All right, so and the most important thing is that don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends so that they can also benefit from it, and also make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on updates like this. All right, and also make sure you comment down in the comment section the country which you are watching from so that I can keep making videos for your country. And one of the most interesting thing about this bonus is that it's actually available for all countries. All right, it's available for all countries. So in a few minutes I'll be showing you how you can get this bonus. So I'll be dropping a link in the description which will take you to how you can get the bonus. So just click on the link and it will take you to where you can get the bonus. Let me show you very quickly. All right, so this is the app right here. All right, so this is the app, and when you get the app, what you have to do is just to click on sign up right here. Click on sign up. All right, you click on sign up to create a new account. Now here, you know the drill. You have to input your name, your email address, your password, your address, city, state, postal code, date of birth. All right, so I'll do this very quickly, and make sure you do yours as well so that you don't miss out on these updates. Alright, so after inputting all these details about yourself, you have to click on I'm not a robot right here. Alright, click on I'm not a robot right here. Make sure you tick it, and after ticking it, you click on sign up. Alright, sign up right here. This is the sign up button right here, so you click on it. So after clicking on the sign up, it is going to bring you to their home page. Alright, so this is where the deal is. So this is their home page. You have not verified your account, so you wait here and you click on this three button right here. All right, you click on this right here, you click on it. All right, so after clicking on this, it's going to bring something like this, as you can see right here. So the next thing for you to do is to click on no deposit bonus account right here, as you can see, no deposit bonus account, and you wait for it to load. All right, so this is it. We have not created any no deposit bonus. You have to click on create one right here. Click on create one. So you wait for it to load, you wait for them to create the account for you. All right, so this is it right here. Our $50 is in our account, right? As you can see right here, the $50 is in our account, and this is our login ID that we are going to use to log in into our MT5. This is it right here, and our password is also here. Just to get all the details you need, you have to visit your Gmail. All right, you are going to receive a Gmail from them. Let me show you real quick. All right, so this is the email I got from them, which include my password and my account ID. All right, as you can see right here, my password and the ID is right there. So all I have to do is to go to my MT5 and log in. All right, so let me show you how you can log into your MT5 right away. So to log into your MT5 account, all you just have to do is to copy your account ID and your password and paste it to your MT5 app. Alright, so this is my MT5 app. All I have to do is to search for the broker, which is ProMax. Right, so before we continue, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and most importantly, comment where you are watching from so that I can drop more videos for your country. All right, so search for their broker, which is ProMax. All right, so this is it, ProMax Trading Limited. Click on it and log into an existing account. Paste your ID right here and your password will be right here. All right, so after inputting your password, you click on login. Right, you click on login. Right, so as you can see, boom, our $50 is in our account already. So this is it. You can choose to trade with it. All right, you can trade with it, and I'll be dropping the terms and conditions on my YouTube channel. If you want to, on my Telegram channel rather, if you want to know the terms and conditions, check the description. There will be a link there for the terms and conditions. Join my Telegram channel. The terms and condition is there already. All right, thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If there's any update concerning this bonus, I'll be letting you know on my Telegram channel. Thank you and have a nice day.